Welcome to the best picks. The best cordless iron is probably one of the most versatile tools for electronics enthusiasts and DIYers who need to solder on a go or in tight spaces. Its rechargeable battery eliminates the need for a power outlet, offering unparalleled freedom and convenience for various soldering tasks, from intricate circuit board repairs to crafting personalized jewelry. This cordless soldering iron provides the perfect balance of portability and performance, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. NEIKO 40421A Soldering Kit. It's lightweight and easy to handle, with a comfortable grip. Work anywhere without being tied down by cords. Simply press the button and it's ready to go in seconds. The indicator light lets you know when it's reached the perfect temperature. With a powerful battery, it provides up to 2 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Get your projects done without interruption. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, it's perfect for a wide range of tasks. From electronics to jewelry, it handles it all. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package. It comes with a stand, charging cable, tweezers, sponge, and solder. What we like. It's lightweight and cordless, perfect for on-the-go repairs. Its rapid heat-up time means you'll be soldering in seconds. With a long battery life, it's ideal for extended projects without interruption. If you need a portable and efficient soldering iron for various tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Well built and functional. Very flexible and does the job. Actually better than I expected. It is small, but the base is heavier than expected and it works great. Already assembled. Works great. Holds very small wires or parts and the magnifier works great seeing very small details. Quick and easy assembly. Heavy so it doesn't fall over easily and nice adjustable clamps. Number 4. Berkling BSG 568 Multi-Tool. It's a 3-in-1 tool. Use it as a soldering iron, heat gun, or micro torch. Perfect for electronics, jewelry, and DIY projects. This portable tool is cordless and refillable. Get up to 90 minutes of use on a single fill. Just use premium butane fuel for best results. It features self-ignition for an instant start. No more waiting or fumbling with lighters. It heats up quickly and is perfect for precision work. Take control of the heat with the adjustable flame slider. It's great for delicate soldering or more intense heat shrinking tasks. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Perfect for fieldwork, DIY projects, or on-the-go repairs. Take it anywhere. It comes with the tool, two 1.6mm conical tips, and a mini wrench. Additional tips are available separately. For optimal performance, use high-quality butane fuel like Zippo or Ronson. Remember to always refill it with butane. What we like. This 3-in-1 tool is incredibly versatile, functioning as a soldering iron, heat gun, and micro torch. Its butane power source eliminates the need for cords, making it perfect for fieldwork. The adjustable flame provides precise control for various applications. If you need a versatile tool for multiple tasks and on-the-go usage, this is the one for you. What people say. One-handed operation. Slide the switch, click to ignite and you're off. Very easy to operate with one hand and it fires on the first click every single time. Ergonomics. Holding the device like a pen or pencil makes much more sense and feel much more natural in my hand, resulting in better solder joints and better overall experience. Heat dissipation. With the Berkling you are able to purposefully aim the exhaust temperatures in a direction that makes the most sense, away from anything that might get burned. Number 3. BLACKCUBE Cordless Soldering Iron. Say goodbye to tangled cords. It's cordless and lightweight, giving you the freedom to solder anywhere. Enjoy the ultimate convenience. With a powerful 2000 mAh battery, it provides long-lasting performance. A full charge only takes about 3 hours, and it's built to last for countless uses. The built-in LED spotlight illuminates your work area, ensuring accuracy even in low-light conditions. It's perfect for detailed soldering tasks. The comfortable, non-slip TPE handle makes it easy to use for extended periods. Its ergonomic design reduces strain and fatigue. Everything you need is right here, the soldering iron, a base, solder wire, charging cable, and a convenient storage bag. It's ready to use right out of the box. From DIY projects to intricate repairs, it's the perfect tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. Experience the difference of cordless soldering. What we like. This cordless soldering iron offers great portability and freedom from power cords. Its long-lasting battery ensures you can complete even the most extensive projects. The built-in LED spotlight enhances visibility for precise soldering in low-light conditions. If you value portability, long battery life, and precision, this is the one for you. What people say. It will charge via a USB port or the supplied wall wart plug-in power supply. The soldering tip heats up rapidly and a LED light comes on to let you know when the tip is hot enough to use. It heats up to full temp in about 30 to 40 seconds and maintains a consistent temperature. There is a single button, you push and hold it down to turn it on, and press it again to shut it off. An LED on the front will light up and is a big help in low visibility. The iron is the type that is fully bonded from tip to heater, so heat up is quick. It is easy to turn on, easy to turn off, small and versatile. Number 2. Weller BL60MP Cordless Iron. Introducing the Weller BL60MP Cordless Soldering Iron. It's compact, portable, and ready to use wherever your project takes you. No more cords to tangle with. With a single charge, it provides up to 45 minutes of continuous soldering or approximately 1,100 solder joints. That's plenty of time to finish most tasks. The round, co-molded handle is designed for comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. It feels great in your hand. It features LED illumination, the first soldering iron to do so. This helps you precisely target your solder joints, even in low-light conditions. It reaches soldering temperature in just 35 seconds, saving you valuable time. It heats up quickly and efficiently to 536 degrees Fahrenheit, with a maximum temperature of 950 degrees Fahrenheit. Experience the ultimate in cordless soldering convenience with the Weller BL60MP. It's the perfect tool for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. It's compact, cordless, and incredibly convenient for any soldering task. A single charge provides an extensive soldering time, perfect for large projects. The integrated LED light ensures precise work, even in low-light areas. If you are looking for a cordless soldering iron with a long battery life and LED illumination, this is the one for you. What people say. It is also much easier and quicker than a normal electric soldering iron that can take several minutes to just heat up. Great form factor, comfortable in your hand. Heats up faster and hold temperature better than my dozen butane irons. Number 1. FrogBro Upgrade Soldering Iron Kit. This cordless soldering iron gives you the freedom to work anywhere, without the hassle of power cords. Its ergonomic design and comfortable grip make soldering easier than ever. It boasts a powerful, long-lasting battery that provides ample power for extended use. A quick 1.5-hour charge keeps you working efficiently. This soldering iron heats up in seconds, reaching temperatures up to 968 degrees Fahrenheit. The precision tip ensures accuracy for even the finest soldering tasks. The innovative touch sensor activates the heating element only when you're holding it, enhancing safety. LED lights improve visibility for detailed work. It's perfect for DIY projects, electronics repair, and more. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. It's backed by our quality assurance. Lightweight and portable, it's the ideal tool for any project, big or small. Experience the convenience and precision of this advanced soldering iron. What we like. This soldering iron prioritizes safety with its innovative touch sensor, activating only when held. Its high-capacity battery ensures extended use, and the fast heating element saves you valuable time. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use. If safety, efficiency, and comfort are your priorities, this is the one for you. What people say. Packed very safely. Instructions ink real English. Instructions are clear. There is a little understanding and coordination required. Has 2 bright work lights. Did a solid repair on my SW wire antenna. Great product for soldering on smaller applications. It heats up super fast with more than enough heat to quickly solder. The small tip is great for very small and precise soldering. The absence of a power cord makes for much easier soldering. Soldering iron is great value. Heats up fast, love the pencil design. Fits my hand, well made with 2 LED lights. Stand is sturdy. I used it for about 30 minutes straight with no heat fluctuation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.